Hi there, Lee Geary here from Wilson's Auctions. Today we're on site at Nugent Manufacturing in Naas in County Kildare. I'm here to tell you about our first live off-site auction of 2023. This auction will be held at 11 AM on Wednesday, the 1st of February. Included in the auction at lot number 120 is this absolutely fantastic diesel-powered heli forklift. At lot 130, this is probably the star of the auction. This is the FISEP drilling line, only installed in 2021. At lot 150 is this 2018 CNC machine. Viewing for this auction is on the 30th and the 31st of January. Viewing starts at 10 AM and will finish at 4 PM. Running alongside the live bid auction is a 24-hour timed auction for smaller tools. The timed auction starts on Wednesday the 1st of February at 11 AM and it will begin to time out at 11 AM on Thursday the 2nd of February. There's over 80 lots in the small online tool auction, so for those of you who want to bid in that, you can bid away 24 hours of the day. So for more information on this auction, please visit our website, which is www.wilsonsauctions.com. To book in for your viewing, please give us a call in the Dublin office on 01 464 2800.